Hello everybody, I am Faisal. In this video, I am going to teach you about forms and form submission, and we will also see what are request types. Okay, let's create a new file and save this file as forms.php or form.php. In here, I will create a new form and add an action attribute, add a method attribute. I am assuming all of you that are learning PHP, they already know HTML. So I am just creating a form by using HTML tags. First field should be full name and it will have an input type that will be a text and a name, and let's add a br tag and copy all of this all over again. 1 2 and 3. Second one should be an email, third one can be password. Suppose we are creating a sign up form. All these three things are necessary to create a sign up form: email and a password. Let's make it type as password as well. Okay, the last thing we need is the submit button, and we are ready to submit the form. Let's open this file in the browser. We have forms.php and here is our file. Okay, so now if I submit the form, it will go to forms.php. But when I add a page name here or file name here, suppose form underscore handle.php, now when I submit the form, it will go to this page, or it will submit this all of these values to this page. So let's create this page first. Create a new file and save this as form underscore handle.php. In here we will handle the form submission. Okay, so let's name it as full underscore name, and its name is email, its password. So how I can submit these values to this page and use these values for our database purposes or any other purpose? Let's write the method should be post. There are two methods in PHP. First one is post and second one is get. So I will tell you about both of these. Let's continue with the first one, that is post method. And now in here we just need to echo out dollar underscore post and big brackets, and inside this you just need to write the name of the field you want to use or echo out. Let's suppose I want to echo out the name whatever user has typed in the browser, and I want to use that inside here. Okay, so I need to write the name here and dollar underscore post, and inside big brackets there is the name of the field. Okay, let's try this in the browser, reload it, and let's write my name here and hit submit. Now on the form underscore handle page, you will see my name will be echoed because I submitted my name through this form. 1 2 3 will be echoed. So now we are successfully getting the submitted value or filled value from the form to this page. Let's echo out all of these. First one is this one, second one is email, let's copy this, third one is password, email and password. Let's try all of these. Go back, my name abc@gmail.com, password should be abc, and hit submit. You will see all of these values are successfully passed to this page. Now if you take a look at this one, I am writing dollar underscore post and big bracket, and inside big bracket I am writing the name of the field. So it look like that I am targeting an array, and inside that array I am targeting a key or position of specific value. So if you remember my arrays video, I told you about this one. There is an array name and you have to write its key. If you look at here, this is something like that. I just need to target the array and then type the key of that array or position of that array. Let's echo out a complete array. How you can do that? You just need to use var underscore dump function that PHP provides us. You just need to write the array name here, that is dollar underscore post. Let's reload this and you will see a complete array will be echo out. So in this array you will see a full name, that is key, and it has a value, or a position, it has a value Faisal Imtiaz. There is a position email and it has a value this one. There's a position password and it has a value this one that user has submitted, a user have typed. So this is actually an associative array. It has keys and it has values, keys and values. So we can use for each loop for this purpose. If you remember my loops video, we just need to type the array name here and then as keyword and then values, echo out values with a br, and you will be successfully getting all the values like this. You're getting all the values. So basically dollar underscore post is actually an array, and in that array there will be all the values that users have been submitting through this form, and all of these values will be placed by their field names. So this field has a name, full name, and this full name will become its key or position, and we can get all of these values like this way. Okay, so this was some extra knowledge. So when you submit this form using post request, you will never see submitted data on the top of this address bar. Although if you use get method here and here as well, dollar underscore get, copy it, paste it on all of the places. Now submit it again, and you will see all of these values will be displayed on the address bar as well. So this is the difference between get and post. We will mostly use, or you should always use post method, because for this submission or hacker, any bad intention person can see all the submitted data and can hack into your website. So you just need to use post method so that your data or your submitted data will be hidden from the bad eye. Okay, so next thing is, if you don't know what request is coming, you can write dollar underscore request here, copy it and paste it here. So this will also not show the data on the top of the address bar, but it will submit successfully. And hit submit, you will see all the values. Okay, these are the three request types. First one is dollar underscore post, second one is dollar underscore get, and third one is dollar underscore request. So you can use either post or either request, or if you don't know what request is coming, you can just use dollar underscore request. You don't know what is written here, you just need to use dollar underscore request. Okay, so this is actually forms and form submission. We have successfully submit the form to the form underscore handle page, and we have seen three request types. So that's it for this video. For further use of forms, I will describe you in later videos, and from the next video I will teach you what are sessions. See you in the next video. Goodbye.